struggling with your mic and you've been having problems, so you just go here. As you see, there are different little items that you can click, but you select this one because that's settings, and then you go to wireless mic, click there, and then there is TX1 and then there is TX2. Okay, says power on, and hold the red button. This button, you must press this button until this light turns blue. Okay, so it's 10 blue, right? Press and hold, linking the so it's linking the little thing, this part, until the indicator blinks blue quickly. Okay, it's connected. I have connected the mic, and that's how you connect the mic. And right now, as you can see, there is TX1, which is the mic itself, and then you can actually control the volumes. You can control the volume over here, so you can set it on maybe 32. I'm gonna put it on 32 dB. If you see that little I would say the little red, if I speak too loud, that there's a lot of things you can do here. You can like do a lot on the settings. Built-in mic audio backup, you can even do that, like have a built-in mic audio backup just in case your mic just decides to die on you. And that's it on my episode.